do you keep on saying Ali, Ali, Ali? What's your obsession with Ali? He's just a companion. He was a great man, but what's your obsession with him? I will tell you point blank what our obsession is with him. It's so simple. It's so simple, brothers and sisters. You do not even need to think about all of the virtues and fada'il of Imam Ali alayhi salam, which are beyond anyone else, second only to the Prophet. But I will tell you simply what it is. We as Shia, as followers of Ahlul Bayt, are so obsessed with Rasulullah. And because of the Prophet's love and dedication to Imam Ali alayhi salam, and telling his followers, if you want this, if you want me, if you want the city of knowledge, the city of wisdom, if you want the salvation that comes with this message of La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah,